Hey everybody, what's going on? This is the Vortex Trader. Just a quick little video for you guys. We are waiting for some setups to present itself in the charts. Quick look on Euro USD for a potential order block. We are looking for price to come down in this next candle right now. This is the 4-hour chart. If we see that, then we could look at a possible retrace back into this block right over here. This will be our potential order block zone, and for those that follow the channel, we know that all of our pending order blocks will be yellow, right? But we need to see this current candle right here take out this previous low. We want to see some strong bearish action before we can confirm that, because on the daily time frame we have seen nothing but positive momentum. So we are waiting. There is no setups as of now. Let's move on to GU. Right, we have the same thing on the daily chart. If I just bring this daily chart forward, we can see that we have been making higher highs and higher lows. However, we have hit previous daily resistance: 1 tap, 2 taps, 3 taps, 4 taps, even though we pierced through it, and we are currently on the 5th tap. So it might be time for price to roll over on itself, at least in the short term, right? And if that happens, then I will be looking to take a nice short position on GU, assuming we have some strong bearish action and then a retrace back up at the top of the under part of this ascending trend line, which is also the middle of this order block zone, and I will look for an RR of 1 to 2. Those are the swing positions I'm currently looking at. There are no setups as of yet, and remember, we have to trade like robots with military precision. If there is no setup, there is no trade. Right, on the DAX 40, we have nothing going on. There are no support zones or resistance zones that are being broken as of yet, and on GU in the 15-minute time frame, it is the same story. We are ranging and have been for a while. So no setups today as of yet. No biggie. Let's see what happens. So far, this candle back on EU in the 4-hour time frame is forming nicely. We just really need to see some strong bearish movement. Here is our volume. We want to see a nice high red volume bar come and take out at least this low, at least come down. We have had a nice MA crossover here, signifying some possible bearish action. Our MACD MA lines are sloping downwards, so we have a potential setup. We just have to wait and see. And it is the 4-hour chart. There is still 3 hours and 30 minutes left of this current candle. I think today is going to be a no setup day as of yet. But please remember to like the channel and hit subscribe to stay up to date with all of our future positions. Thanks for checking in. See you later.